Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make burger cheese sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite cheese, like cheddar or American, and 1/2 cup of milk. A medium saucepan will be perfect for this task. Make sure to shred your cheese beforehand. This helps it melt much more smoothly and quickly, ensuring a perfect, creamy texture for your burgers. Now, let's get cooking. Pour your 1/2 cup of milk into the saucepan and heat it over medium-low heat until it's just warm, not boiling. Then, gradually add your shredded cheese, a little at a time, stirring continuously. This gentle approach prevents the cheese from clumping and ensures a silky smooth consistency. Keep the heat low to avoid any scorching. Keep stirring gently until all the cheese has completely melted and your sauce is wonderfully smooth and lump-free. This is where the magic happens. Now, it's time to season. Add a small pinch of salt and a dash of your favorite spices, like a little paprika or garlic powder, to enhance the flavor. If the sauce seems too thick, simply stir in 1 tablespoon more milk until it reaches your desired consistency. And there you have it. Your incredibly easy and delicious burger cheese sauce is ready to enjoy. Drizzle it generously over your hot, juicy burgers for an instant upgrade. But don't stop there. This versatile sauce is also fantastic on crispy fries, loaded nachos, or even hot dogs. Get creative and savor the rich, creamy goodness you just made. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.